Don't ask for Lamborghinis. Only I can give those.
It would be a Jaguar, not a Lamborghini.
Oh!
What do you like for Christmas?
Santa?
We don't have all night.
No whispering.
That's not what Santa is supposed to say.
It can't fit it in his bag.
He can shrink it. That's not true.
No.
What else are you supposed to do, Santa? But have a Merry Christmas. That should be heavy. Are you that heavy too? Yeah. Really?
No, give it back.
No.
My candy cane.
Yeah, it's the Paarl here for the 2021 Christmas season, and I'm just doing a little special video and a special shout out to everyone, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year when it comes. So just love, peace and respect always. So just spread the love, spread the joy all year round, and just try to be thankful and appreciative of everything. So bless up yourself for the Christmas and for the New Year's. Peace out.